wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best gun cleaning kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the real Avid gun boss supports weapons in the 17 to 45 caliber range. It comes with an array of short-action accessories for accommodating smaller ejection ports, and the entire set is packed into a case that fits into your palm for simple transport and storage. The case is also weather-resistant, however it is pricey for the number of components you get, and the cleaning brushes are a pain to use. At number 9, as long as you don't plan on doing gun maintenance in the field, the otis 70084 is a fine choice. It comes in an attractive wooden case that even has a stand to set your rifle on during the cleaning process, or for display purposes. There's room for bottles to stand upright, and it contains a wide variety of cleaning accessories, but the case feels a bit flimsy. Coming in at number 8 on our list. As the name implies, the gloryfire universal can be used on nearly any model and size of gun. In addition to having dedicated slots for all the pieces, the case has 2 additional storage areas that you can use to put oil or solvent. It includes over 100 patches, and the case is laid out nicely. However, none of the components are labeled. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gun cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the M-Pro Tactical is ideal for 3 gun competitors. It includes 3 types of bore snakes for maintaining 5.56mm rifles, 9mm pistols, and 12-gauge shotguns. The entire package comes in at a reasonable price and stores in a lockable container. It includes a lint-free polishing cloth, a cleaner, and oil. It can remove copper and lead fouling. Moving up our list to number 6. Designed as a comprehensive option for use at home and in the field, the Hoppe Elite includes 5 assorted bore brushes and a cleaning rod with a folding handle. It also comes with a foam pad, so you have somewhere to lay gun components when polishing. This one's been tested for tough environments and is equipped with a double-ended utility brush. However, the included oil tends to dry out quickly. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Otis Tactical contains obstruction removal tools for fixing jammed gun cases and other barrel blockages. It also comes with cotton polishing patches and 6 firearm-specific bronze bore brushes to help prevent accidentally damaging a barrel when servicing it. It includes a chamber flag and is small enough to carry in the field, but the patch instructions are complicated. At number 4, the Allen Company 70540 comes with 65 pieces in this lunchbox-style container that has dual latches and separate holding compartments. Each storage area has the name of the tool it carries, so it's easy to keep things organized. The case has lots of extra room and locks for security. The brushes are marked for specific uses. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Remington hunting kit comes in a soft-sided case, which makes it easy to transport. It includes a Remington squeegee, which removes most dislodged barrel debris in just one pass, and a high-performance Remington all-in bore cleaner, great for all types of fouling. It includes a machine-washable pad and a threaded revolver adapter. It's good for 22 caliber to 12-gauge guns. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gun cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, affordability and versatility meet with the Ohuhu 28-piece. It's an all-in-one kit that can help you keep your guns in top-notch shape. Included in the set are 10 sizes of brass brushes and 5 sizes of cotton brushes. It's compact for convenient portability, and the components are number-coded. It's effective against stuck-on carbon. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Otis Elite cleans a variety of rifles, pistols, and inline muzzle loaders. Its 23 bronze bore brushes easily remove copper deposits and other hard-to-reach fouling from almost any barrel type. Plus, it comes with a firearm maintenance guide. It's made in the USA and also includes optics gear, as well as a nylon-coated memory flex rod. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gun cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video.